You guys have any guesses what we're doing today? Alright, so these are some EAG metal fender flares. They look pretty dope. It's gonna look a lot cooler when they're on the Jeep though. So this mod actually just had to be done because I got in a little accident, and as you can see, we had a collision like right here, and it broke my factory fender flare clear off when I got in the collision. So I can't repair that. So I decided to go ahead and just upgrade to the Aftermarket. I think my dream flat fenders are probably some tubular ones, but I like these as well. These will do the trick. They're nice, affordable, and they're probably gonna look pretty good on the Jeep. I'm excited to see this thing finally with some mods. Finally, maybe I can get a bumper too this year. So there are 5 10mm bolts under here that you need to take out before you can remove the fender. Then you want to disconnect your side marker here if you have that. There we go. So right now, I'm going to try to reuse this factory fender liner, but that's going to have me drilling out these push rivets. So I just have my step bit and I'm just drilling through the center. And then now I gotta take out these push clips. So this is what it's gonna look like when I have them all installed. Looks pretty sick, honestly. That's how you remove it. So in the rear here, we're gonna have to add riv nuts to these last, I think this one, and the two across from it on the other side. We're gonna have to add these riv nuts, and then on the top here, it just fastens with a nut and bolt. So I ended up finding some pre-existing hardware that I had to fasten this up. What ended up happening was I kind of had an epic fail moment. I used all of the riv nuts on this front fender, but that was actually supposed to be for the rear fenders. Anyways, I found some riv nuts that I can make work. These fasten with like a factory 10mm bolt. And then I have some of these, I forget what these are from, and just the nuts they sent me. I'm gonna hold this up here, try to get one of these started, so I can kind of get these at least finger tightened on, tying everything up once all the bolts are in place. Alright guys, so I finished up and this is what they look like. The rear looks pretty good. The front here doesn't look too bad either. Not a big fan of this like rubber stripping on there, but I'm gonna have to get that. Might have to figure out some different kind of mod to kind of get around this. I ended up being able to use the factory splash guard. I just cut off the front section and the back section back there. Secured it with the two 10mm bolts that were already came on it. And it doesn't look too bad. Here's the other side here. So you guys can see, it looks like the width of the fender is about the same as stock, but they're just thinner and more of a flat style. There you guys go. New fender flares.